you can use the periodic chart to help you memorize the strong acids and strong bases, especially the strong bases. You need to have these memorized now. You may have memorized them in General Chemistry 1, which is great. But if you didn't, you do want to memorize them now because you are going to keep seeing them and being asked questions about something, and you need to know if it's a strong or a weak acid. So part of the key to that is knowing the strong ones, and then the way you know if it's weak is you basically kind of rule out the strong ones, and if it's not a strong one, then it has to be a weak one. So there aren't a ton of strong ones. These are the weak bases. Look at the left-hand side of the periodic chart. We're going to add OH to these elements right here. And then we're also going to add OH to these elements right here. Remember that this column is +1 and the other column is +2. And so when we add an OH, which is -1, we just need 1 right there to charge balance. So all of these are strong. And so are these. These are +2, so you're going to actually need 2 of those ones. Those are the strong bases. So anytime that you see OH that is in a strong base, you're going to be like, oh, well, it's not strong, so it has to be. So we're going to do another video on the weak ones to make those more clear. So those are strong bases. And then now we're going to look at where you find the strong acids. So if we look right over here and we look at the halogens, this is where we're going to find strong acids. This is half of them. But this column is -1. So when we put an H with it, we only need 1 because H is H+, just a single plus. That's half of them. And then there's 3 more that are, we call them oxoacids. And they're just acids that have oxygens with them. And that's HClO4. Let me make that more clear. HClO4, HNO3, and H2SO4. And those right there make up your 6 strong acids. You may have learned a 7th one as being strong. It's kind of borderline, so we're just going with these 6. And in a minute, you'll learn more about the weak acids. The biggest key part is that if you can rule it out that it's not a strong, that's going to help you figure out if it's weak.